bird in the house.
Where's it at?
It's up there on your painting. Someone's painting.
Oh my gosh. Oh, poor birdie.
Bird, come on.
We gotta get out of the way and
I know.
let's go this way, Lincoln.
I'm trying to like scare it so it'll in the. I feel like we're gonna get.
Come on.
Let's
Is it
all.
back here?
Get me out of that.
All right, this one doesn't stay open.
Oh, there it is. Okay, fly away, birdie. Fly away. Oh my god, it's gotta be so scary right now. It's on the cable cord.
Birdie, come on.
There it goes. Oh, it was so close.
Where is it? Did it get out?
No. And this needs to go down.
You like it inside.
Yeah.
Will you like it, Birdie?
Was? In the curtains. Are we go on the painting again? Loves that painting.
I did that. Oh no.
Loves your painting, Lincoln.
I didn't see it. I know.
Oh, it's on the Bob Ross painting.
I see it. What about you, Birdie?
Here, let's scooch back, boys.
Okay.
You scooch back.
No. That's Birdie.
Oh. Here we go. Come on, bird. Close, close. Oh.
I can catch this one.
That way. Down.
I want to catch it. I want to catch it. No, I just. No, I want to catch it. No, it's too dangerous. No.
There it goes.
You got it?
It made it. Did it fly over that way?
I see it.
Whew. All right, let's close this.
No way.
Bird.
Going on the
Bird went bye-bye.
I'm gonna go on the trampoline.
All right.